Hey everyone, it's me again, and welcome to Faith's Finds. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my little corner of the internet. My name is Faith Grenade, and I put makeup videos here on YouTube sometimes. You should subscribe and hit that little bell icon down below. It'll notify you every time I upload so you don't miss a minute of this riveting action. All this stuff. What you've stumbled across is Faith's Finds, which is usually a haul or an unboxing of some kind, and today we are introducing you to the newest member of the Uncanny Creatures family. So, lately I've had a lot of issues getting Uncanny Creatures because they're getting to be so popular, and the woman who makes them has been changing so many things. Like, she's added so many new faux fur colors and textures. She's added new eyes, new mouths, new techniques, new creatures to the line, and so it's really hard now because she only makes like somewhere between 3 and 5 creatures at a time, and within minutes they're sold out on the website. Within minutes. I'm talking, she made one that I really wanted to get that was a gray wolf, and he was so gorgeous, but he was sold out within like 2 seconds. It was ridiculous. You guys may not be seeing as many of these videos in the future, just because it's harder for me to get my hands on these creatures, but I did get one that I wanted to show you guys. I already unboxed him because I literally could not wait to see him, but one of the new creatures that she started to make is bats, and oh my god, like, this is the cutest little bat boy I've ever seen. Look at his little wings. Oh my gosh. I am dead at how cute this is. The attention to detail again on these, if you're unfamiliar, if you haven't watched any of my other Uncanny Creatures unboxings, the detail on these is insane, and she keeps improving with every single creature. And it's so cool as someone who sort of found this artist right at the beginning of her rise to prominence, to see in my collection, like even within my collection, how much she's improved with each additional creature, and how many things she's changed, and how many things she's added, and how she's evolved and grown as an artist. So I am so excited about this guy. I know you can't really see him because the background's dark, but there's his little bat wings. They're the cutest little felt bat wings I've ever seen. He's got pink eyeballs and then a couple little teeth sticking out there that you can't really see. But look, he's got crimping on the fur on his front. Isn't that adorable? Like, the attention she puts into every single creature is just mind-blowing. I mean, she gives them haircuts with clippers, like it's a whole thing. And I am so thrilled with this guy. But he needs a name. So Crystal / anybody else who wants to try a hand at naming this little dude, go ahead and leave a name idea in the comments. I would love to see what you guys think his name should be. I should show you the other one I got too, because I did get another one in the mail recently that's very similar to one I already had, but let me go get him real quick. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry. I forgot to grab my other new Uncanny Creature. So we did get these, this lovely little bat boy who still needs a name. The eyes are really detailed too, like really cool. I love this guy, he's so cute. And then I also got this one. This looks very familiar, I know. This little guy looks a lot like Steve Buscemi, who we already have over here. I brought him with me so I could show you guys the differences, because this is a different creature. It's not Steve. This is Steve. So if you've never met Steve, this is Steve. I made a whole video about him. But this is the new bunny that I've added to my collection. I love the bunnies because they have little blunt cut bangs, and I just can't get enough of how cute that is. But yes, this is our new bunny friend. He is a little bit taller and a little bit skinnier than Steve. So I don't know, maybe I'll name him after Steve Buscemi's brother, because Steve Buscemi has at least 2 brothers. But this is our new little bunny friend. He has brown eyes instead of green eyes, which Steve has, and then his teeth are a little bit different. They're a little more spaced apart, but that is another new Uncanny creature that I have. So these are the two newest members of the family, and more are being launched tonight. She's got like a neon orange bear coming out. She's got, I saw tiger fur, like tiger faux fur in her little collection. She posts on her Facebook all the time in process photos and stuff like that to kind of sneak peek what's coming out. Which I'm super excited about. But like I said, it's going to be a lot more difficult going forward to collect these guys because they are damn near impossible to get now. I mean, within seconds they're sold out online, and with how, you know, backwoods internet tends to be, I tend to miss out on some of the things. But I'll do my best to keep bringing these guys to you because you guys seem to enjoy them a lot, as much as I do. Some of my videos, like honestly, my makeup videos haven't really gotten a ton of viewership lately. Most of my most viewed videos are crystal hauls and Uncanny Creatures unboxings, which I have no problem with because I love buying stuff. I do it all the time, and I love being able to share with you guys what I bought, and you know, it's cool that you guys are into that. So that's about it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys the two newest members of my Uncanny Creatures family. I believe I have 6 now? Something like that. But if you have any name ideas for either of these two cuties, you can leave them in the comments down below. And in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you did, there's a button for that. Spank that like button in the butt. You know it deserves it. And if you want to see more from me, you've got a couple options now. You can click the videos on either side of my head to binge if you're bored or bummed out, or hey, you can hit that button that looks like my face and subscribe and become a member of the faithful. Today, I put out new videos every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles!